to turn this dirty door panel into this super clean door panel. Stay with us and let's start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we're doing some progress here on the BMW. And you remember that one from Copart, how nasty it is. So what we did, everything's done on the front, but right here, okay, we cleaned the seats, made them like new. Carpet is nasty looking. We have a video how to clean the carpet, but in today's video guys, we'll make that door panel look like brand new again. Okay, you can see how bad it is. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Please check out our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please give it a subscribe guys, quite a few videos coming there as well. So most of the door panel is leather. Okay, you can see this is leather as well. So we'll be using leather cleaner by Chemical guys, pH balanced. It's very important to be pH balanced, otherwise it will dry the leather and will start cracking. So we'll spray a thin amount. Never ever spray the buttons, okay, ever, because your window switch will quit working if you get it too wet. So we'll do that, just very thin layer. And again, prepare, be careful with the buttons and the speakers as well. We'll have the links in the description of the video about all the tools and products that we use, so you can see where we get them from. Now you get a clean water, okay, and we'll get a brush in our case, or you can just get a microfiber towel, depending how bad it is. Okay, and we'll start brushing that thing, and you'll see it will look like brand new again. Use a soft leather brush on it. Okay, a few more spots here. Let me just heat it up a few more times. Okay, now let's do the top one as well. You see all the dirt coming out of the pores. It might take you a couple tries, but that's what we're doing now. Okay, right here there is a big spot of grease, I believe. So let's see if it's going to come off. It definitely does, but you need to treat it a couple times, because it's grease on leather, it's not a good combination. Okay, a little bit on the front now, and again, avoid the switches. The switches, we'll do them with a microfiber towel only. So you can see how dirty on top is. What we'll need to do, we'll need to get a wet towel, microfiber towel, and let's rinse it off and see if we need one more coat of leather cleaner, because this one was extremely dirty, as you can see. Okay, let's get the handle there. Now the switches, make sure you don't get any water in them, but you can clean around them really good with barely wet towel. Do not soak it, not to have water running out of it. And if you do not use pH balanced materials, okay, that rubber, you can see it's super soft. Whoever cleaned it in the past didn't clean it right. And you have to always avoid getting those things too wet. Use pH balanced cleaner, okay, and there is one step that you have to do at the end, otherwise if you soak it with conditioner, it will peel too. So let's go ahead and do that now. We clean the pocket inside as well. We have a video how to wrap the plastic in carbon fiber or any cover wrap you want. Video will be coming soon, so please subscribe now. We get a clean towel guys, okay, and we're going to dry everything, okay. Make sure that nothing dries there. So we have to make sure that we have clean, nice door, so we can proceed with the next step, okay, to put conditioner. I didn't even know that our mirrors fault. Pretty cool features. So we'll be using leather conditioner with vitamin E, very important component, because vitamin E will make the leather elastic, it will give it moisture. So what we usually do, we apply a small amount on microfiber towel or applicator, applicator will be even more convenient if you have one. Okay, like that. And we're going to start rubbing that thing in the leather. Okay, wear your gloves and rub it in really good. That way it can soak in the leather. Okay, so we will rub it with the applicator now. You take some time, give it about 2-3 minutes so you can make sure that most of it soaks in the leather. And now the very last step is an important step for BMW. As you know, we just had a video how to clean steering wheel, and most of the steering wheels will be peeled here because the BMW plastic is covered with a thin layer of rubber, soft rubber, and that's what it's peeling right here. People didn't use the correct stuff. So at the end, it's very important to dry it, everything, okay, with a clean, dry, new microfiber towel. That way you're going to absorb if you have too much conditioner, because if you leave too much conditioner on the plastic, it's going to make that rubber soft and you'll start peeling in the future. So it's very important to dry it towards the end. Now you're asking probably why this one is still a little bit dirty. It is not. This is clean, but just the paint peeled here. Once it dries, I'm going to show it's going to look way better. It's just because the leather is wet now here and it's just darker in color. So as you can see, after the leather dried, you cannot see the wore out spots here anymore because they're the same color almost. So you can see how much better that thing looks, guys, once the chemicals dry and you don't see the white spots. But that's how you pretty much clean the panels. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.